guitar solo of Baby Now That I Found You by Alison Krauss. But before we dive into the solo, you need to understand what key we're in and what chord progression are you playing above. So first you need a capo, okay, a capo on the first fret. If you don't have a capo, that's fine. We're still gonna play the same fretting anyway, all right? But it really helps with a capo to understand what chord progression you're in. Okay, so if you have a capo on the first fret, we need a D major chord, but remove your second finger off the first string, second fret. So this is the second fret now. Whenever you have a capo, you treat the capo as your 0th fret. So 1, 2, right? This. Remove your first finger, second finger, sorry. You got a D2 or a D9. D sus9, okay? Just think about it like a D major with an open E string without the second finger, okay? So that's the first chord. So second chord is the same, but your second finger will have a bass of here on the 3rd fret. It's like a C bass, okay? So there you go. Then we switch position to like a B over D. So you still have these notes here. So you switch fingers from here down here because you need your first finger to fret that 2nd fret of the 5th string to get a B, okay? So we have, there you go, okay? So after this chord, release first and second finger. First finger will fret the 1st fret of the 5th string. So it's kind of like a D also with a B flat. Or you can think about it like a G minor chord. Alright, with a over B flat. So far we have this. Alright, then the next after that is a D again. Okay, just the first D. Then an E minor, 7. I'm keeping this finger here. Then a G. And then an A without the 3rd finger. It's A major, right? Without the 3rd finger. So it's like an A9. So far we have this. E minor, G, A9. You can imagine the melody already while playing the chord progression, okay? So now the solo here, this fret here is actually, if you think about it, this is the 5th fret, 7th fret, this is the 8th fret. Now for the guitar solo, so we don't get confused, we're gonna name the fret as it is, okay? I know in the beginning I said that the capo is like a 0th fret when it comes to chords, okay? But when in the guitar solo, we're gonna name the fret as is. So if we're playing this note here, okay, that is actually 3, 5, 7, 8th fret, okay? Without the with or without the capo, this is the 8th fret. We start here, okay? So first finger here, next note here, we slide. So 8, 10, 12 slide. Then immediately 11th fret, 2nd string, 2. Alright. Then we go down here, back to the 8th fret, quickly, then that is 8, 9, 11, 9, 8, okay? Then this is the 10th fret, 3rd string, then 8th fret, 3rd string. Then back here to the 11th fret, and then 2 8 frets, 3rd string. So we have right. Next, we slide down 8, 7, 8. First finger, third fret, third string, sorry. And then we slide this note here. You can use your third or second finger to slide it to the 11th, from 9th fret to the 11th fret of the second string. Alright, and then back to the down here, second string, 9th fret. So, then next is the 11th fret of the third string, and then 10th fret. So we have, alright, then 8th fret, third string, 11th fret, second string. Then back to the 8th fret, twice, third string. Okay? There you go. Next, pull off the 10th fret to the 8th fret of the third string. Okay? Like that. Then use your pinky or your third finger, whatever is comfortable for you. We're gonna slide the 11th fret to the 13th fret. Like this. And then 10th fret, third string. So we have, alright, so far we have, alright. Then next is you start on the 12th fret, third string, you slide down to the 10th fret, and then 8th fret. So we have this. Okay. Then we have this two strings with your pinky or your third finger, either way, on the 11th fret. Okay. And then with your first finger, two strings also, first and second string on this 8th fret. So we have. Okay, then either your pinky and third finger, or third finger and second finger on the 11th fret, second string, and the 10th fret, third string. So we have. So far we have. There, okay. Then we hammer on, pull up. Hammer on, pull, this is not a pull up, actually this is a hammer on. And then you hammer on to the 10 to 12, fourth string, and then pluck the 10th fret, and then down to the 8th fret. So we have, that's the last of the guitar solo, okay? So we have from the beginning. Right. Alright, so hope this helps you out, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.